In this video, I will be showing you how to make a digital comic strip in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking into the search bar on the Canva home screen and typing in comic strip to see what's available. While there are many pre-made templates, I'm going to click Create a blank comic strip so I can build a custom layout from scratch. Once the editor opens, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and open the Shapes category. I'll select a simple square to start my first panel. I'm going to adjust the border weight to give it a nice thick outline. And then I'll change the document color to transparent so the panel is empty. I'll resize this square and move it to the top left of my canvas. To make this layout more dynamic, I'm going to look for more unique shapes. I'll scroll down to the flowchart shapes and select this wavy-edged rectangle. Just like before, I'll adjust the border weight to match and remove the fill color. I'll duplicate this shape and move the second one down, flipping it horizontally to create a mirrored effect for the next panel. Now I'll pick out a slanted parallelogram to add some energy to the right side of the page. I'll stretch it out to fill the height of the first two panels. I can even use a triangle, rotating and stretching it to create a sharp, custom-angled panel that fits perfectly into the empty space. I'll finish the bottom of the layout by adding one more large, simple rectangle to serve as my final widescreen panel. Now that my grid is complete, I need to add some dialog bubbles. I'll go back to the Elements search bar and type in Speech Bubble. I'll browse through the graphics and pick out a few different styles to suit different parts of a story. I'll add a standard rectangular bubble, a jagged action bubble for loud sounds, and a classic cloud-like thought bubble. I'll resize each one and place them within my panels, using the flip tool to make sure the tails point exactly where my characters will be. After a few final adjustments to the placement and size of my bubbles, my custom comic strip template is ready to go. I hope this helps you create your own amazing comics in Canva.